Next, we're going to try some palm spins. What I want to do with the palm spins is I want to start rotating the wand above my head. As I rotate it above my head, I am wrapping the string around my fingers. I want to choke up on the string. So what I'm doing is I wrap it around about 3 fingers, and then I get the wand nice and tight in my palm. This puts it in a really great position for me to grab onto the wand and start to spin it around in front of my palm. It adds a really great illusion effect for when you're dancing. So again, I'm going to rotate the wand above my head and wrap the string around each time it rotates until I'm choked up on the wand and I have it in front of my palm. I can grab onto the wand, tilt it, and start to spin it in front of my palm.